Crypto joins other assets in having a tough time lately, but maybe we can blame it on the stock market.
I have a chart that is pretty mind-blowing, absolutely fascinating stuff. What this shows you is throughout the day from midnight to 11:59, the trading of assets. In red here, you've got the S&P 500. This is the average over the last month. The market hour is obviously 9:30 to 4 o'clock. And then in white, you've got Bitcoin trading throughout the day, the average on the weekends. Notice that it rises. The average on a weekday when the equity market is trading is down more than 1% a day over the last month.
Meanwhile, the drumbeat for greater regulation just got louder.
Crypto is an area where I've been calling for us to take steps to regulate the market.
Understand everything from privacy, security, and when people have errors or deal with fraud, that they have some recourse.
It needs guardrails. It needs regulation.
Building confidence in this new infrastructure.
The Terra Luna, just catastrophe, should be a wake-up call to DC.
Right now, many people don't know where to turn.
That's just the beginning of the trouble for cryptocurrencies.
They have the potential to introduce meaningful risk to the real economy.
It's something that Congress has been looking at.
Many governments are still looking at this.
It's an urgent issue for Congress to address.
Senators Kirsten Gillibrand and Cynthia Loomis have been working for months on a bill due out in June.
It's notable it's a bipartisan bill, which means that even if Republicans do take back the House, or potentially, as some are saying, even win the Senate, there is still a possibility that this plan could go forward.
I think there are two primary issues that get the most attention for regulators. The first is having a way to regulate the spot markets. Today, crypto exchanges in the U.S. have money transmitter licenses, which isn't exactly directly related to what they do most. Instead, I think what we need to see is a single uniform federal regulator. The other issue is stablecoin regulation and having disclosures around what are in those reserves, having audits of those, and making that information available to consumers would go a long way towards preventing something like the UST collapse that we saw.
As the industry and ecosystem grab the focus of Congress, major lobbying efforts are now in place to help shape new laws.